1 minus 3 gives us negative 2. And here in this parenthesis, we have 1 minus 4, which gives us negative 3. So negative 2 times negative 3 gives us 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, not this subtraction. And after this parentheses, we have to do this multiplication. And finally, this subtraction. Okay? So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 minus 4, which gives us negative 3. So 1 minus 3 times negative 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because in PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, so now we have to do this multiplication. Minus 3 times minus 3 gives us plus 9. So we have 1 plus 9, which gives us 10. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 10.